the beginning of this month, the Okatakyie Afrifa ye chichichino, ye chichichino by height. I said, baby, your ben nambia not to see a chino. Baby, your ben nambia national security for gram near chino, ye china near Janu. Busum Remo, dear, attention, nembre ya. Yes, I so Okatakyie Afrifa. We don't think far. My engine munchimuka kramra.
Good evening, Mr. Abo.
Good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. First off, how did you learn about Okatakyie Afrifa men's arrest, and can you confirm where and when it happened?
Oh, thank you very much. As it stands now, we are the police headquarters at the cyber crime unit. The CID is taking a statement. But before then, he was arrested, and then he was took to his house, from his house to his office, and then from office to the national security, and then the cyber unit also came and took him to the police headquarters. So we are at the police headquarters as it stands now.
And do you know the specific charges or reasons behind this arrest?
Well, nobody's telling us anything. And then the way things are going, we don't know the mind of the police officers, whether they want to detain him or not, because his lawyer is here. We are here to find out what is the reason why they arrested him. But we knew very well that last week he was also invited to the Tvgh, and then we went there, and then he was released. So we don't know the reason why today too they have come for him to the police headquarters. So he's here with, I think, 3 or 4 of the CIDs. When they are questioning him, they ask us to sit down and wait, whatever it is they tell us. So we don't know.
I know details are still scanty and sketchy, but is there any way the arrest last week is connected to the latest detention?
That's why I'm trying to let you know. They have not tell us anything. We're trying to ask him. The lawyer is here. The lawyer is trying to find out what is the reason. Nobody's telling us anything. We don't know whether it is linked to the arrest of the last week. If it is that, I think they should have called him and invited him. Because the last time they arrested him, he followed them peacefully. But today, also on a Rambo-style arrest, took him to his house, go and search him, to national security, to his office, and then the cyber crime unit. So we are here when we want the justice to prevail. I mean, the kind of...
Okatakyie come here people here for the records. On one year, I say we are saying Okatakyie Afrifa soon will want to cross every few fan can feel. Soon will want it. 60 years no more pointer. Okatakyie Afrifa. The great man. Perry. Card that turn.
What's up your reference?
What is yes, Perry, original Perry. That's security coordinator. Okatakyie, for the records, come here, people. There's some more water. I think I see everything from town. Cash, I do want to add there. Cash. And Okatakyie, what is sport? Brady, aqua fan. The one what's about pounds and father? What Bob said you're not back to Marty. My home said, what a record! Guys, you see what we're watching now? Yeah. So far, you get to talk and say,
Mo passport here ready.
Okatakyie Afrifa said dem pa na waje. Dem pa na wa your person just said dem pa na wa NDC for. Aden. Ah, mma na so mo you know. Mackerel.